Have you ever wanted to make your text attached to a moving object in your video, or maybe attach an object or a logo onto a wall? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use the 3D camera tracker in After Effects. Open up After Effects, then import your footage. Then select your footage layer in your timeline, go to Effects, Perspective, 3D Tracker. After Effects will automatically begin analyzing the motion in the clip. This will take some time depending on the length and resolution. What it's doing is After Effects is scanning every frame, identifying points in a 3D space to stay consistent over time and calculate how the camera is moved. Once the analysis is complete, you'll need to hit Create Camera to see the points that it made. You'll see colorful track points all over your footage. Hover over an area you want the text to stick to. When you see a solid target plane appear in the orientation you like, right-click, select Create Text and Camera. After Effects will create two things: a new text layer already placed in the 3D space, and a 3D camera which mimics the footage original movement. Select the text layer and press T for opacity and S for scale to resize it. Then use the selection tool to reposition the text exactly where you want it. Make sure the text looks anchored naturally, and perspective and angle should match the surface. To make the text feel integrated into the scene, we're going to go over to the effects and presets, search for drop shadow, and apply that to our text. Then add a slight motion blur. And that's how you track your text in After Effects. Make sure to subscribe so I can see you tomorrow for another video editing tutorial.